Okay, we're going to draw a knife. We're going to draw it with three simple shapes, three rectangles. So this is going to be the handle here. Then we're going to have another rectangle here. There. And then we're going to have a little bit bigger. And we're going to have this bit coming out here, big rectangle. There. Obviously make it longer if you want the blade longer. There we go. What we're going to do is we're going to curve this bit up here, like this, to go into that corner there. Then we're going to rub this bit out. Always make sure you draw your lines in to begin with. Don't draw them in too heavy, otherwise it makes it hard to erase them. Right, this bit here, we're going to bring this up a bit higher and then down again. Again, erase this lower line. There we go. It's looking pretty good. Right, I'm happy with this bit of the knife, so actually, no. We'll draw round this edge off at the top, and then we'll do another there. And then I'm going to darken these lines at the top here, because I'm happy with this. Bring that around. There. Again, darken that one. Then I'm going to shade this in dark at the top. There we go. I'll shade this in a bit lighter. This darker pencil I'm using is a 5B. The lighter one I'm using is a 4H. Quite happy with this bit. There. I'm going to lengthen this and round that off. I'm going to round that off a bit. There. Again, I'm going to put that in quite dark again. There. Okay. There we go. Okay, I'm going to draw some serrations on the. Sorry, my rabbit's moving around. Serrations here on this edge of the knife. Actually, yeah, no, that's right. Just want to be angled a bit here on this part of the knife. Again, draw it in light. There. And then we'll get to this bit, just square them off with the top edge. There. Right, I think that's enough. Right, now we're going to go over everything heavy again, because I'm happy with the bottom bit. There. There. And we go over this bit here. Oh no, I've made a mistake. Okay. What a noob. Okay, there we go. Start again. There we go, up there and across there. There we go. And join that up to there. I'm going to put one last bit in on here. Go a bit that runs down here to there. that in dark as well. All there. And there we go. We've got a knife. Nice and easy. All broken up into 3 rectangles to begin with, and then just curve that edge off, and then just erase any light bits that are left over. Just erase. This is my first video I've done on YouTube, so if you want me to draw any more, if you can think of anything else you want me to draw, then let me know in the comments. I'm going to try and make everything as easy as possible, and if you could like and subscribe, that would be great. And I'll see you next time. Thanks a lot.